Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your exact model and current firmware in settings. This prevents flashing the wrong build. Once done, open Samsung Members and enroll in the beta program, accept the terms and opt into updates. Make sure to back up photos, messages, and app data because beta builds can be unstable. Also charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi, since the download can be several hundred megabytes and should not be interrupted. You now fetch and install the OTA. Go to Settings, then Software Update and choose Download and Install. This locates the enrolled beta build. While it downloads, keep the screen awake and avoid heavy apps. Interruptions can corrupt the package. Once the download finishes, tap Install. The phone will reboot and apply the update automatically. During installation, you will see progress percentages. Do not power off. After the first reboot, allow a few minutes for app optimization. You finish by confirming the new build in settings about phone and running quick checks on camera, calls, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi to catch regressions. If apps behave oddly, clear the system cache partition first. That often resolves residual issues. Make sure to report any reproducible bugs through Samsung Members. Attach logs and exact steps because developers rely on that detail. If things still fail, a factory reset can help, but keep your backup ready. This should be a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.